the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the LG K20 for AT&T prepaid, guys. So this one's been out for a while now, so it's not the newest phone on the block, but it's a pretty decent budget phone. So this is a certified pre-owned phone for AT&T prepaid. It's $101.99 if you guys are interested in this phone. So like I said, this is not the newest phone out there, but it's a pretty nice looking phone in my personal opinion. As you guys can see right there, it has 4.3 stars out of 5 right now, so that's pretty good. This one's been out since last year. I don't know when AT&T prepaid got this phone. I don't know when they got it. I think AT&T on postpaid, I think they got theirs like in August or something like that. I'm not really sure, but I'm not sure when prepaid. I'm not sure when AT&T prepaid got theirs. So, if you guys are looking for a cheap phone on AT&T prepaid, check this phone out. It's a very nice phone. So let's go check this phone out, guys. All right. So it says, when life demands bigger perspective, the LG K20 delivers technology and value. Watch TVs and movies on the big 5.3-inch HD screen. Take great photos with the 8-megapixel rear camera and access your phone and its contents with the fingerprint sensor. So that's a definite win right there. So that's one of the phone right here, as you guys see here. You guys go back up here. You guys will have the front-facing camera, earpiece, your lock screen there with the nice looking wallpaper. In my personal opinion, you guys got shortcuts to your phone and your camera there on the lock screen, LG logo, and your volume up and down buttons on the left side of the phone. Back of the K20 we go is you got the camera flash, power / fingerprint sensor, AT&T logo, speaker, LG logo. So your volume button is on the left side right here. So that's what the back of the phone looks like. It looks like it has like a textured back to it, and I think it does. So you get volume up and down buttons right here on the left. And then on the right side of the phone, you got like a little notch to prop the back to access the battery, SD card, SIM card, and all that good stuff. So the battery is removable. So that's a win. So you can check out what other people bought or whatever. This one is the postpaid version of the K20. It's for AT&T postpaid. If you guys want to check that out, I think it's like $4 a month for this phone on AT&T postpaid. If you guys want to check that out. Key features of the LG K20, guys. It's AT&T certified restored device, high quality 8-megapixel autofocus main camera, and 5-megapixel auto shot selfie camera. Alright. Keep in mind that this is a refurbished device, so you need to keep that in mind and be aware of that. So it has a 5.3-inch display, watch TVs and movies, and play games in crisp HD detail. I think it's a 720p display, so not too bad. Like I said, this is a budget phone, so it's a pretty good budget phone in my opinion. I think it's like 277 PPI or something like that. Fingerprint ID for added security. Access your phone and its contents with one step fingerprint ID. Power and storage. Powerful 2800 mAh removable battery and up to 16 gigabytes of internal storage. So this one, like the Verizon K20, has 16 gigabytes of storage, while the T-Mobile Metro PCS K20 had 32 gigabytes of storage. This one has 16 gigs, so keep that in mind. Overview, big value, great entertainment. Big 5.3-inch screen, watch TV shows and movies in crisp detail. The stylish and curved design of the HD display makes it feel comfortable to hold too. So that's the screen right there, nice looking screen right there. Fingerprint ID for added security. Unlock your phone and its contents with one step fingerprint ID, a convenient security feature you would expect to find on more expensive phones. Yeah, you would, but now But nowadays a lot of budget phones are now getting fingerprint sensors now, so that's great. I don't know why the Verizon the Verizon K20 don't have it. The T-Mobile version has it, Mitsubishi version has it. This one has a fingerprint sensor. The Verizon K20 does not. Power and storage. Stay connected on the go with the powerful 2800 mAh removable battery and with up to 16 gigabytes of internal storage and support for up to a 2 terabyte micro SD card. You can store movies, music, games, and documents. So battery is removable. Great picture. So that's a selfie camera right there, and has like selfie light and shit. Great pictures. The high quality 8 megapixel autofocus main camera lets you capture your best memories. The 5 megapixel auto shot selfie with light lets you instantly text, email, and share on social media. Specifications. Let's expand all this. So the size of the phone in inches is 5.8 inches. Well, that's all dimensions and crap. The phone weighs 5 ounces. Display inches 5.3 inches. HD 720 by 1280. Color 16 million colors. 8 megapixel with 4 times digital zoom, autofocus, and LED flash. 30 frames per second, Full HD, 30 frames per second HD. So it can record up to 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. 5 megapixel camera with selfie light. Aperture 2.4. Shooting options: auto shot, gesture shot, quick share, quick video editor, burst shot, and timer. Battery 2800 milliamps. So it is removable. 14 hours of talk time. 15.4 days of standby time. Processor is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 425, clocked at 1.4 GHz quad core. Memory, like I said before, like the Verizon K20, it has 16 gigabytes of storage, expandable via micro SD card up to 2 terabytes. Micro SD card, obviously, it has 1.5 gigabytes of RAM on this one. I think the Verizon one has it as well. I think so. I think it's 1.5 gigabytes of RAM if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember. It has Android 7 Nougat. I'm gonna say 7.8 Nougat. It has Google Now. Hopefully it'll have Google Assistant on the same thing. Hope it does. LTE bands of supports 2, 4, 5, and 12. It has 4G HSPA with enhanced backhaul. Mobile phone, yes, it's a quad band. HC voice, yes. Wi-Fi calling, yes. AT&T voice, AT&T video call, yes. Wi-Fi connectivity 802.11. BGN, you send have Wi-Fi connections there. So no AC on board. 10.4 GHz Wi-Fi capacity. NFC, yes. Open and secure. Bluetooth 4.2. Mobile hotspot up to 8 devices. No suppression, yes. Wireless emergency alerts, yes. Some type nano. And this is the AT&T phone, and as you guys know, AT&T phone has a lot of fucking bloatware on their phones. So what you get from AT&T prepaid on the LG K20 is you get DirecTV, AT&T app select, AT&T hotspots, AT&T call protect, AT&T protect plus, AT&T setup and transfer, AT&T drive mode, AT&T lookup, AT&T smart help, AT&T smart limits, AT&T smart Wi-Fi. Goddamn. So there's all the AT&T apps, okay? And but you get other apps, you get Uber, you get YP Mobile, it's like your Yellow Pages, you get Amazon Shopping, Facebook, and Google Drive, Gmail, Google Docs, Android Pay, because it has NFC on board, so that's a win. My AT&T provides fast, easy account access virtually anywhere, anytime, and you get 2 web browsers on this phone. You get Firefox and Google Chrome. Now, I suggest you guys don't use Chrome on mobile because I just don't like Chrome on the mobile side of things. I just don't. I am using Chrome right now on my desktop, but I don't like Chrome on mobile devices. I just don't. I suggest you guys use another browser. I suggest you guys try out AdBlock browser for Android. Free to download. You got sensors here. You got accelerometer, ambient light, digital compass, fingerprint, and proximity. Text messages and email. Text messages insert pictures, video clips, and sound clips easily. Messages and charges apply. Advanced messaging. See when messages are delivered, read, and when others are typing a response. Send larger pictures and files up to 10 megabytes per attachment. So on this one, I don't know if it's all AT&T phones or if it's this one or whatever, but you get advanced messaging options. You will know when someone has got your text message. You'll know when they've read your text. They will know, and you will know when they're typing your text. So you'll know if they replied to your text or not. Which I think it's kind of it's kind of fun in my opinion, because people are knowing your ass through text. You can feel like, oh you didn't fucking text me back or whatever. Whatever. I think it's pretty funny, and it's kind of weird, but it's kind of funny and it's kind of creepish at the same time. So you know when someone's replying back to you, so that's pretty funny and it's pretty weird at the same time. But I think it's funny, Mobile email, you got POP3, IMAP, you got Yahoo Mail, Gmail, Microsoft Exchange, ActiveSync, and more. Most of you guys will use Gmail, whatever. Your Yahoo Mail sucks, donkey ass. Microsoft Direct Push, yes, I'm not sure what the fuck that is. You got 2 music players. You get LG Music, which is the LG Music app, and you get Google Play Music, and you got supported music files there, MP3, and all that good stuff. You got external music play controls via lock screen. If you guys got the V20, you guys will have controls in the second screen. If you guys got the V20, the K20 don't have that. You guys will have to use the lock screen to control your music players. Alright. Accessibility, hearing aid, yes. TTY, TTD, yes. Sustainability, device eco rating, and all that shit. End of life in recycling. I'm not sure what the fuck those are. And you got reviews here. So you got a couple 5-star ratings. You got 3 stars there. Someone don't recommend this phone. Someone recommends it. Then you guys to see. Someone also recommends this phone as well. You guys can see. What the hell do you get in the box? I'm pretty sure what you get in the box is, you get the phone, the battery, the charger, and the manuals and shit. I thought you get like any headphones. So what you get in this box is nothing special, guys. So keep that in mind. So you're not gonna get like all the bells and whistles and shit like that. So let me exit out of this. So you guys act now. You guys will get 15% off AT&T certified free storage smartphones on the limited time offer. While supplies last, I suggest you guys check out this link right here if you guys are interested in that. So there it is, guys, the LG K20 for AT&T prepaid. It is a certified pre-owned smartphone, so do keep that in mind. So it might have a little bit of scratches here and there, but do keep that in mind. Hopefully they'll offer you as a warranty on this phone. This one's been out for a while, but I seen it on the AT&T's prepaid website, so I figured I'd do a video for you guys that might be interested in this phone. It's a nice looking phone. It has great features on it. Fingerprint sensor, that's a win. NFC, yes. Android Pay, yes. Nougat, yes. I don't know if this phone's gonna get Oreo or not. Hopefully we'll get Oreo. We shall see. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. PJ, come subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.